Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete your Splitwise account. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch Splitwise, and then here at the bottom right you will see your profile icon, and right here it says account. I want you to tap on that, and then you should see here your name and your email address. I want you to just tap on this pencil icon next to it, and this will lead us to our account settings, as you can see right here. Now, here you can see advanced features. Scroll all the way down, and you should see this option that says delete account. I want you to just tap here on a delete account right there, and we will need to tap here on your current password and enter our current password to delete our account. Or what you can do is click here on send email. It will send a link to our email, which we will need to click on so that we can go ahead and delete our account. So here is the link right here. I'll click on my email and then just follow this link, and your Splitwise account will be deleted. As you can see, our account has now been closed. So that is how you delete your Splitwise account.